In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $10,250 in commission just in 18 days in the month of April. From the first day of April until the day 18 of April, I made $10,250 promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one and how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links and earn commission and new methods and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end if you don't want to miss this information. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. You just need to use your email address to sign up, and the sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission and you can make so much money with this Fiverr affiliate business. It's really profitable. So what you will do next, you just need to click over here on join now. And here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country over here and choose your language. Then put your Skype here if you have Skype account. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up, will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate link that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission, and I will show you the method that I'm using to find people who will be interested to buy those services from my affiliate link so I earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for music promotion. Okay, search for music promotion. Here you go, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. I want you to pay close attention to this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. I will choose, for example, like this one. This one is top rated seller. I will play your song on radio New York live, promote your music. This one is really looking good. Top rated seller, 5-star, lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next, you need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. Okay, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports and you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Guys, you all have Facebook account. Okay, it's super easy. Open your Facebook account like this, click on the search for music promotion. Okay, search for music promotion like this. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups. And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. Okay? So make sure to join all those groups. They are for free. Just click on join and you will join those groups. They are for free. You guys don't know the potential of Facebook. Okay? So did you know that Facebook has 16 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Facebook. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services and products on Facebook groups. Okay, so don't sleep on this. Okay, you should start using Facebook groups. So anyway, let's choose one of those groups. Okay, so let's see if we can find, for example, let's check this group. Okay, let's see. We can scroll down. We can find a lot of Facebook groups here. Like, let's check, for example, this group here, music promotion. I will click on this group, and if you scroll down, here you go. You will find a lot of people here who has music videos. Okay, let me show you. Here is another person like this one. He is posting his YouTube music video here. Okay, so why those people are posting their music content here on this group? So these people want to get more views and grow their YouTube accounts or their audience and get more followers and more views in their music videos. Okay, so let's scroll down. We can find I need new music. If we scroll down, we can find a lot of people here. Here is a person. This person has Spotify account, so this person want to promote his Spotify music. As you can see, here is another person has YouTube channel promoting his music videos here. If we scroll down, here is another person. You can find a lot of people here. Okay, so let's take, for example, one of those people like this one, or let's check this one. Okay, so this one has music video. Okay, so this one will be interested to promote his music on this using this service. Okay, to get more views and grow his audience. So this person will be interested to promote his music. So what you will do, you will click on this person name. Okay, and you will click on message. Okay, and here you go. You will create a message, a professional and friendly message that you will send to this person to with your affiliate link. So this person, if he is interested, he will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so how you can create a friendly and professional message? So you will use AI. Okay, super easy. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Okay, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. You can use the free version, and this AI will help you to create an amazing, friendly, professional message that can convince those people to buy this service from your affiliate link. Like as you can see over here, you can just click on message and you can ask ChatGPT. I asked him create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy music promotion service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go, ChatGPT created this amazing and friendly message. Hey there, music. Are you looking? Are you looking to take your music to the next level and reach a wider audience? Look no further. I have come across an incredible music promotion service on Fiverr that have been making waves in the industry. Okay, with this service, you can boost your music visibility, gain more listeners, and increase your chance to get noticed by industry professionals, whether you are building artists or okay. It's a really good. You guys should start using AI in your affiliate business. Okay, affiliate marketing business. Scroll down. Just you have here you will put your affiliate link. So why wait? Check out the link below and let's elevate your music career together. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or need assistance. and here you go, you will put your affiliate link here. So just copy this message, it's a really a professional and friendly message. Put this message here, paste. I will delete this part like this, okay, and I will go and I will delete this part over here to make it like it's a human message. And here you go, I will scroll down and I will delete this part like this. Okay, I will put my affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, so for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account, so that's why I have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For you, you can't see this option over here, but you should have this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, okay? And it's almost the same. And as you can see guys, this affiliate link is too much long, we need to make it short. I always use this website to make my affiliate links short, and it doesn't matter, it's not important, but for me I really like to make it short. You can use this website if you want to make your affiliate link short. Put your affiliate link here, click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Facebook and put this affiliate link here, and here you go. Click on send, okay, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link, okay. Here you go, will be like this. So if this person is interested to promote his music video, get more views and grow his music business in the internet, he will be interested to buy this service. So if he is interested, he will message you back, or he will click, if he click on this affiliate link, for example like this, he will be directly to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, okay. And that's it, because those people are posting their music videos here, they want to grow their music videos, get more views and grow their audience, okay. That's why they are posting their music videos here, okay. You can also send the same message to those people who has Spotify, like this one. As you can see, this person has Spotify music, okay, Spotify account, and he want to promote his music, okay. As you can see, if we click on the link, will take us directly to this Spotify page, okay. So what you will do, as you can see, so what you will do, this person has music video, you can I can click on his name and I can click on message. I can send a professional and friendly message to this person and asking him if he want to promote his Spotify music to get more views and grow his audience, okay. And that's it guys, those people are posting their YouTube music's videos here, they want to grow their music videos, they are interested to get more views. You just need to convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, and you can find a lot of Facebook groups, okay. Here you go, just click on join and join all those groups, okay. You can find a lot of Facebook groups here that you can use, okay. Here you go, if we scroll down, we can find a lot of people here who has music videos, okay. Here is a person has music video, this is music YouTube video. You can click over here, you can ask this person if he is interested. If we scroll down, here is a lot of people here have music, this one has music video. You can click and ask this person if he is interested to promote his music. You will connect, it's like connecting buyers with sellers, and you will earn commission, and that's it. I show you how you can find a profitable services, how you can create your affiliate link, how you can create your affiliate account, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. The business model is very clear, so it's just up to you. So what's left is your work. You will stay consistent, you will keep improving, you will learn how you can sell, you will convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link. You can make so much money with this method. You can start with $0, okay, and that's it. I'm also guys working on a course that will be maybe will be ready in the next week. We'll cover everything about affiliate marketing business and how you can start from scratch. Okay, so if you guys are interested, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will try to make it done in very soon for you guys. And that's it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. See you in my next video.